welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have a Cricut mystery box for us. This is the Nebula Horizon Mystery Box. If you are just seeing this video and it just came out, quickly check out my links below. There is a link down there. It is an affiliate link at no cost to you. There is a link down there for you to get your own Nebula Horizon box, mystery box. There is a cutie inside, so quickly run, go get that, and then come back and watch the rest of the video. Go ahead, I'll wait. Okay, are you back? Did you get it? Okay, let's see what's inside. This was sent to me from Cricut so that I could show you what's inside before you got your own, or if you just wanted spoilers after you got your own, or whatever. This is a pretty big box. It's not usually this box, but first up is our cute little cutie. This is in the color Blue Slate. I believe this is a new color, so let's see what she looks like. Ooh, it is definitely a slate color. It's a very gray, matte, but beautiful. I love it. What do you think? The video is picking it up almost like a purple, but it's not. It's definitely a blue-gray or slate-gray color. So we'll just put her right here to check us out for the rest of the video. Okay, so we have the foil transfer insert cards. So this one you do need the foil transfer tool, but definitely there are options to make it without. These are pretty cool because they include not just the insert card, but also a piece of foil to use with your card as well. Let me show you real quick what's inside. So we've got the foil inserts. They're kind of a bronzy brown, very nice. You've got the cards. We've got a little green one. Looks like there's a variety. I wonder why this one's smaller than the rest. Either way, there's a little green one, and then you have the rest of them that are these pretty pastel colors, pink and green. And then you've got the foil pack. And in the foil pack it says foil transfer sheets 4 by 6 inches. Doesn't say how many, so let's find out how many. Let's see. Okay, so 4 a Whispering Blue, 4 Tulip. So that's these. 4 gunmetal metallic bronze inserts. Oh, these are inserts. Sorry. So 4 forest inserts. Very nice. Explains why they're a little bit smaller. 4 silver foil sheets and 4 gold foil sheets. Let's see what the gold looks like. And then you do need a foil tool. Foil transfer tool, foil, what's it called? I'll find out in a second. Foiling tool in order to use these. Okay, where's the gold? Come on. I just want to see the gold. Alright, there we go. There's the gold. So 4 of those, and then 8 white envelopes. And then this looks like it is little stickies, so you can stick down your insert cards. The tool. I forgot what I was looking for. So the tool is the Joy Foil Transfer tool. That you can obviously use these and skip the foiling, but if you want some pretty cool effect and get the Joy Foil tool. It's been a day. Let's just say that. The Joy Foil Transfer tool You can use these on your Cricut Maker or any of the Cricut machines that you have the transfer tool and a card mat for as well. And then of course the envelopes. So I'm going to stick all of those back. Very nice Cricut. Next up we have a glitter iron-on in black gold. It is actually really pretty. I don't know if you can tell. It is definitely black and gold. So that's really pretty. Next we have Infusible ink. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I'm not sure if I've seen these before. So these are the Patterns Sparkle Mermaid. Patterns/Sparkle Mermaid. So very cute. I can't open these because once you open them you want to use them pretty quickly, but very cool designs on those. We have a roll of Everyday Iron-On Pink. It is a 12-foot roll. That is a lot of pink. Let's see. My niece is going to be getting pink shirts for a while. Gorgeous, gorgeous pink. It's kind of a dusty pink. Great color. And that's 12 feet. Then you've got the Cricut 3 inch by 18 inch size makes this ruler your essential crafting tool. Frosted finish. So this is just a Cricut ruler that's 3 inches by 18 inches. So very nice. It shows you why the box was this big. And then last but not least, we have a package of Shimmer vinyl, 6-pack multi 12 by 12 inch. So let's see what that looks like. These these bubble mailers are very sticky. Okay, whew. Alright, first one is gold. Shimmer vinyl. So it's not quite glitter, not quite metallic. So, very cool. Shimmer, gold, blue. Ooh, that's pretty. And this is just regular vinyl. Or permanent vinyl. Premium vinyl. Pink, black, silver, purple. 1, 2, 3, 6. So that's gorgeous, and let's make something. Stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and make something. Sit back, relax, and enjoy, and yeah, I'll be right back.